you want to know what your website visitors are doing and where they click, which area catch their interest, and where they feel confused or stuck, why they leave without converting into customer? Yes, it's possible with Microsoft Clarity, and the best part is it's 100% free. Inshallah, in this video we will learn integrating Microsoft Clarity with Google Tag Manager and track website visitors behavior using Microsoft Clarity. Now open our browser and simply search for Microsoft Clarity. Navigate to Microsoft Clarity website. Then click Get Start. I choose this option, sign into Google. If you want, you can choose any other option. Then choose email, which email we want to using to create Microsoft Clarity account. Then continue, accept terms and privacy, then continue, name the home page or your business name, then put here website URL, then choose your website industry, that means your website product or service type, then again accept terms and privacy, then add a new project. I choose this option, install manually. If you want, you can choose this option, also this option. So I'm click on get tracking code. Here we get our tracking code. We can copy this code also from our URL. Let's copy this code and navigate to Google Tag Manager. Move on templates. Then inside tag templates, search gallery. Search here Microsoft Clarity. Choose this option Microsoft Clarity Official. Then add to workspace. Add. Now we create a tag. That's why move on tag. New tag configuration is called a bit and select Microsoft Clarity Official. Clarity project should be that we copy it from our Microsoft Clarity account URL. Also we can copy here, paste the code, then triggering all page. Since we tag our website all page visitors behavior, then name the tag, then save. Let's go preview. Click on connect. Now in our website, do some activities like clicks, scroll, visit other page. Let's move on Google Tag Manager preview mode. Then continue. Here we see our tag fired. Let's back to our Microsoft Clarity account. Then click on drop down menu and select our account. Here we see one user in online. Move on recordings. Let's see what happens. It's tag or not. Play the video. Here we see visitor activities track perfectly. We scroll our website, then click visit other page, then we exit from our website. That means it's worked perfectly and our setup done. Alhamdulillah.